Sri Maheshri.
Lordship, as per the last order,
My lord, my humble request, my lord, a certified copy may be obtained from today, my lord.
These are matters of urgency. That is why during vacation also they are kept in the top of the list.
My lord, I also need the same, my lord, as a copy of the judgment, my lord.
What copy of judgment?
My lord, today each patient, my lord, is critical, so that I need a copy of certified copy urgent.
What certified copy you require?
Hopeless, my lord.
I'm not able to hear you. What? Which copy you require?
This final order, ma'am. Final order.
What final order?
Which my lord will pass, ma'am.
No, that is fine. But what is the review report submitted?
Sir, in this still a review of it, report is submitted, my lord.
That is what I'm asking. Why this order
It is-
24/6/24 is not complied with?
My lord, because she was suffering from some
Your Lordship,
ailments, my
what
lord.
happened, Your Lordship, she
Where
was
is the
suffering
report,
from.
I say?
Before the on 24th, my lord, we received the report stating that she is not medically fit to get.
Your Lordship, what has
pregnancy
happened?
terminated. So my
the-
lord was pleased to direct for reconsideration by the medical board, my lord.
Your Lordship, what has happened? She's suffering from some other medical problem. That's why she's taking treatment with respect to that. My only prayer, Lordship, that it may be kept in the next week. There's a possibility that by the next week she may be treated and she may be if possibility she may be permitted by the medical boards, Lordship.
Medical condition may improve, my lord.
So I'm just praying, my Lordship, it may be kept in the next week, Your Lordship. She's taking treatment with respect to the problem which she is suffering.
That is fine, Mr. Counsel. But what happened to this direction given on 24/6/24? Where is the review report?
My lord may keep it in Passover, my lord. I will,
No, have you reviewed the case?
sir, that is to be ascertained, my lord.
These are the termination of pregnancy matters kept on urgency matters. These are urgency matters. Therefore, it is kept on the top of the list.
It may be kept at 12:30, my lord.
You are
Because-
unaware of the fact that whether any review has been done or not.
I will appraise, my
Your
lord.
Lordship, that has not been done, Your Lordship, as per my instructions, Your Lordship.
It is informed by the counsel for the petition that in terms of order date 24/6/24, the petitioner, the patient has not been reviewed, is not being reviewed. Well, sub-state council, a joint request is made by both the councils to keep the matter. Then it will be in the opening week itself.
Yes, Your Lordship, till that time there is a possibility she might.
Awaiting for compliance of order date 24/6/24. Prayer allowed list on Monday.
Lordship, it may be kept on Tuesday or Wednesday, Your Lordship.
It's your choice, your client. You are delaying the procedure.
Your Lordship, it may be kept on Wednesday because there is a
Council for the petition list on Wednesday.
problem.
CL number 3, Sri Patida.
My lord, in this case, my lord, negative report has been received, my lord, from the medical board, my lord.
Yes.
Permission is denied, my lord.
Permission is denied on what count?
My lord, may I read the relevant paragraph, my lord?
Yes.
The gestational age of the fetus is more than 24 weeks. Hence, medical termination cannot be performed as per the MTP Act Amendment Act 21. In case of permission or order of MTP by the Honorable Court, such termination can be performed with all the explained risk of anticipated and unanticipated complications related to termination of such high-risk teenage pregnancy.
Yes.
Because it is about 24 weeks, my lord. So they
Yeah.
have expressed their opinion that it would not be safe to carry out termination.
If the court permits, what will
Yes,
be
sir.
the condition? What is the health condition? What is there in the report regarding health condition?
So
If-
they have expressed their displeasure that as the
That displeasure is expressed only on the ground of age.
yes, sir, advanced.
What if the court permits?
They have stated that explained risk of anticipated and unanticipated complications related to termination of such high risk.
That is a general report you are saying that. You are not pointing out any health status report.
My lords, they have mentioned in the para that it can be performed with the risk, like if
Risk,
the court
risk
permits,
is there, my lord.
but it
Risk
can
is
be
there, but
performed.
it can be performed with that risk,
That is risk is always there.
my lord.
Even when the age of the fetus is less than 24 months, then also the risk factor is there. But
They
what
have
happened to the age of the patient itself? What is the health condition of the
15
patient?
years.
Whether it will be
She's aged-
feasible to
she-
permit her.
She is aged about 15 years, my lord.
Whether it will be feasible to permit her.
It is mentioned, my lord, can be performed with the permission of this court, my lord.
Why you are shifting entire burden on the court itself?
My lord, they have expressed their,
Simply asking one thing.
Ji.
what is the health condition of the patient if the court permits for that. Whether is it dangerous to her life or not. Whether life threatening to the child or not.
My lord, that they have not written, my lord.
So that is the only thing that has to be clarified in this matter. You call for that report, I'll take up the matter and pass over round.
Lordship, in the
They have, second para, they have mentioned that in case of permission or order of formal court, such termination can be
Understand what
performed.
I'm asking? Do you understand what I'm asking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have read that report once, twice.
Yes, sir.
That is only related to age.
Age one.
Nothing about health condition.
Yes, sir.
So if the court permits the termination of pregnancy, is there any danger to life of the patient or the child itself?
But they have not explained that part, my lord.
So that call for that part only, I'll take up the matter and pass over round.
Yes, sir.
Pass over.
oblige my